I do a little unboxing video tonight to show you the RADIOMASTER MT12. This is the first surface radio that RADIOMASTER has released. This one also runs Express ELRS, which many of you know is a long-range system like Crossfire or Tracer, developed by TBS. Express ELRS is Express Long-Range Systems. It is a long-range radio that has tremendous amounts of power. This thing, where most RC cars, Traxxas, Arma, and all the other guys, they like to put their cars out and measure the distance for radio transmission is measured in feet and meters. RADIOMASTER is claimed to, with Express ELRS, they measure theirs in miles. So we're going to see what this thing can do. It should be good for a high-speed car, rock crawlers, or anything where you plan on going off the path and want to have fun with it. Free range anyway. So here's a little unboxing video to see what comes in the package. For $149, this is a 12-channel radio. It supposedly has more channels than the 7-channel $700 Futaba radio that everybody wants and loves so much. If this is the radio that they're saying it is, this is going to be a game changer. It's the must-have radio for the year for sure. And I think they're about to make a mint off of this one. This is it's what I've seen on it. It's a really nice radio, very well sculpted, very well handled, and it just seems very in tune with what the drivers need. And it's programmable, being open source or OpenTX, EdgeTX rather. It's totally programmable, and it for drone operators also, it should be really simple to navigate through. If you're not familiar with EdgeTX or OpenTX or multi-protocol open source programming, it might be a learning curve, but this should be basically a simple, straightforward radio. I'm hoping so anyway. Let's get into it. So inside the box, it's got a really nice hard case, 2-compartment case. It's got a nice handle on it. It's very well constructed. It is a soft case, I guess, but it's a formed soft case. Let's see here. Inside the box, we also have our quick start guide and a set of our Rip and Nut stickers, which is a cool little thing to have. I just put some of these on my car the other day. I'm glad I got another set of those. And that's the box. Now inside the bag, put the phone down real quick, we'll come right back to it. So the top layer has, there's 2 zippers. The top zipper comes across, around, and back the other side. When you open that up, there's your radio. It sits nicely inside there. Well protected, very heavy radio too. This thing is very nice, very well. Wow. It does have Hall effect sensor gimbals. So I don't know if these are ball bearing or they're plastic, but they are the Hall effect gimbals. It comes with a 5200 milliamp battery. Also, you can use 18650s in here, or if you have a 2S battery off your balance lead, just like the TX16S, you can run a balance lead to the battery and charge your power your radio through the balance lead. This has got some buttons. It's got some good stuff here. We're going to check it all out. It does have a metal scroll wheel, just like the TX16S. That part has not changed. It seems very simple forward, but the source programming is what I want to see on here. It has a built-in metal lanyard strap in the back for your lanyard, and let's see if it's got any power on it. No, so you got to charge the battery. So let's check this out real quick. Hang on. So yeah, inside the battery compartment in the bottom, you have your balance lead, which is where you plug your charger port in. And this has got an XT30 connector on the top of the battery, but it does come with a 5,000 milliamp Li-on battery to charge it. It's a 7.4 to us, and of course that's for your charging of your battery, and this is for the powering of your charging of your battery. Is the XT30. The balance lead on the battery is what you would use to power the radio through the balance lead port at the bottom. So this is for your power, this is for your charge. So that comes with it. Now the RADIOMASTER also has one that's a PWM radio. It does have the 4-channel module built in, same as the TX12 and the TX16S, but it also does not have Express ELRS, so you have a choice whether to be able to run all kind of receivers through one radio, or to have the ability to run long range through your radio. So either way, this is the necessity battery. It comes with it. The PWM version does not come with the battery, so you are responsible for buying your own batteries in that case. So that's a win-win for me right there on that part. So let's see what else is in the bottom part of this bag. Difficult to do one-handed. Now on the bottom of the bag you have a box, and you have your AA or your 18650 tray. To get your 18650 batteries, you can use the tray. Also, same way, it powers up through the balance lead. Balance lead is where it's at. That's how you power the radios. Some of the guys at the RC shop didn't know that. They're not familiar with the way RADIOMASTERs are set up. I told them that, and they were kind of surprised at me. They said this is why I know drones and they know RC cars. But they learn something new every day. So, Taylor, Brad, I love you guys. Anyway, keep moving a lot along. Let me get the box open, I'll put it right back. In the box, the black box comes in the bottom part of your bag. It says RADIOMASTER, and I'm dropping stuff out of the package. It comes with a remote gimbal. This is the toggle switch. If you were to set the bottom of the radio, it has a port here. You can add a toggle switch to the bottom part. It comes included. You have your Express ELRS, ECR M1, I believe it is, ER3C1 receiver with a long plug for ESC on there, long server lead. You got that in there. We also have this is the toggle switch. Excuse me. This is the one position toggle switch for the bottom of your radio. It mounts into a space right here in the front. This part pops off, and the toggle switch can go in there. That could be assigned, or you can run this one, which is a 2-position toggle switch. It can also go in there. I think one of those is for your, I'm not sure, but I believe one of those is for the simulator gaming aspect of it. Also in the box we have your traditional power cords. It looks like we have USB-C and Lightning, so you can charge through your Android or through your Apple iPad, Apple iPhone port. I guess you can charge your radio that way. We got, let's see, get the box out here. We got a bunch of goodies here. This would be, what is this? Oh, the top of the radio has a modular bay in the front. So if you want to run a 4-position mini, like we used to put the Crossfire modules and TVS tracer modules and then Express ELRS into our radios to power them, this one has it built in. So if you want to run the 4-in-1 program, you can buy that as a separate Nano module. You'll need this adapter plate. It plugs in there, and then the Nano will plug in the same way that TVS tracer, Crossfire, or Express ELRS did to your drone radio. It plugs in the back of this and sits right there on top, and it's about 2 inches by 1 inch, a little bit block, nice out of the way piece. But if you happen to have more than one RC car that run off of different receivers, you can use the Nano module to be able to power all your radios off of one radio. Open source TX, by far, hands down, better than Spectrum, better than all the rest. It's by far the best. It's going to be a real fun radio. It may have a little bit of learning curve getting used to it, but it's got good feel to it. It's a really nice feel to it. It does have a molded, feels like a molded leather pad in the back. It's not like the TH16S, which had a separate leather pad that you can buy, change colors on, whatever. It does have LEDs throughout the whole thing, and all around the front, the top, inside there, on the bottom of the gun. And these pieces also can be color changed, so you can have your colors flash, dance, do whatever you want to on your radio. It's tricked out, set it up, play with it, run it, do it big. RADIOMASTER is. Don't be caught fool. Don't be caught with that one. Head on down to Cobra RC if you're in Pensacola, Florida, or A-Main Hobbies if you're online shopping, and check out the RADIOMASTER MTX, or MT12 rather. This is going to be a game changer by far in the RC world. Game changer. Promise you. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, a little quick review of what's inside the box. What to be expected will be a learning curve that we'll all find out as we go along with. And I'm gonna get this thing set up my drag car tonight and go out and burn a couple laps with it and see how she does. All right. Thanks a lot, guys.